Good morning, students. In the last class, we studied about Kirchhoff's rules, and first is junction rule, and second is loop rule. Now, today we solve a problem which is based on the Kirchhoff's rules. Now, problem is as follows: find the potential difference across each cell and the rate of energy dissipated in R in the given figure. This is the figure circuit for which we have to calculate the potential difference across each cell and the rate of energy dissipated in R. Now, this is the circuit diagram for solving the problem, and there are two loops. Which we are considered for solving the problem. Now, applying Kirchhoff's loop rule to the loop ADCBA, and the loop is ADCBA. It is the upper loop, and if we apply the Kirchhoff's loop rule, then we get the equation minus 4 into I1 plus I2 minus I1 into 2 plus 12 is equals to 0. Now, if we solve it, then we get 2I1 plus 4I1 plus 4I2 is equals to 12, and finally we get 6I1 plus 4I2 is equals to 12, and on further solving we get 3I1 plus 2I2 is equals to 6. This is first equation. Now, we are applying the Kirchhoff's loop rule in the second loop. Which is a lower loop. In the loop ADEFA, and if we apply the Kirchhoff's loop rule in that loop, then we get minus 4 into I1 plus I2 minus I2 into 1 plus 6 volt is equals to 0, and if we solve it, then we get 4I1 plus 4I2 plus I2 is equals to 6. On simplifying the equation, we get 4I1 plus 5I2 is equals to 6. This is second equation. Now, for finding the currents I1 and I2, now multiply equation first by 4 and equation 2 by 3, and after that subtract the equations, then we get 12I1 plus 8I2 is equals to 24, 12I1 plus 15I2 is equals to 18. On subtracting the equations, we get minus 7I2 is equals to 6, and I2 is equals to minus 6 by 7 ampere. If we put this value of I2 in equation first, then we get 3I1 plus 2 into minus 6 by 7 is equals to 6, and value of I1 comes out to be 18 by 7 ampere. Now, the potential difference across R will be equal to I1 plus I2 into R, which is according to Ohm's law. Potential difference across R is equals to I1 plus I2 into R, and on putting the values of I1, I2 and R, we get potential difference across R will be equal to 48 by 7 volt. Now, potential difference across each cell will be equal to potential difference across R. Potential difference across each cell is equal to potential difference across R, and this will be equal to 48/7. And energy dissipated in R is given by H is equals to I1 plus I2 whole square into R. This is the energy dissipated in R, and this is given by H is equal to I1 plus I2 whole square into R. On putting the values, we get H is equals to 11.75 joule. H is equals to 11.75 joule, which is the required result.